Intro, what's the goal? All right, engineers. Today, we're building something seriously cool. You're going to program a robot that feels the temperature and reacts to it, like a little weather detective on wheels. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your bot will light up red when it's hot and blue when it's cool. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the RVR extension in MakeCode. First things first, open up the MakeCode for microbit website and start a new project. Click on Advanced, then scroll to the bottom and click Extensions. In the search bar, type Sphero and hit Enter. Click the extension that says Sphero RVR. Once you add it, you'll see new categories in the block menu: movement, power, and lights. These are all tools to help your micro.bit talk to the Sphero RVR.
But here's the deal. In microbit, you have your basic microbit stuff, but you can also then add more. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on Advanced, and you get all these other options. At the very bottom is this one called Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. And what we get is this search website. So we can search a whole bunch of different stuff. So go into the search bar and type in RVR and hit Enter. Type in RVR, hit Enter, and this should be the only thing that shows up. Go ahead and click on it. And what you'll now see is it added in rover controls. Okay, so now if I click on this, I can actually add in pieces.
Now try this activity. In step 1 of your worksheet and look for the table with code blocks. You'll use the basic, input, and Sphero RVR blocks to match the code and test what each one does. Fill in the table with your observations. Step 2, build the temperature sensor. Okay, time to make this bot smart. Go to the logic menu and pull out an if-else block. Then grab one of those hexagon comparison blocks. This lets the robot make decisions. Now from input, drag in a block that says temperature degrees Celsius. This block lets the microbit feel how hot or cold it is. Drop it into the comparison and set it to greater than 22. That's our temperature threshold. 22 degrees Celsius is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's hotter than that, we'll make the bot do something. Otherwise, it'll do something else. Place the if-else block inside the forever loop. Then, using paper or materials from your bin, build your prototype. How will you mount the microbit on the RVR? Get creative. Think like an engineer. Don't forget to take a picture or draw your design and submit it into step 2 of the worksheet. Step 3. Set the LED indicator. Lights. Let's bring this sensor to life. We're going to use color to show what the robot is feeling. Go into the Sphero RVR greater than lights category and drag in the block that says set all LEDs to red 0, green 0, blue 0. Put this in the if part of your block. Set red to 255. This means if it's hotter than 22 degrees Celsius, the robot glows red. Then duplicate that block and put it in the else part. This time, set blue to 255. That means cooler temps glow blue. Now let's show the actual number. Grab a showstring block from Basic and put it right under each LED block. Use the temperature degrees Celsius block again and drop it in the showstring block. That way, the robot will tell us what temperature it's reading. Next, flash your code plus test it out. Almost there. Now it's time to get that code into your microbit. Click the big purple download button and save your file. Then plug your microbit into your computer with a USB cable. Drag that downloaded file into your microbit drive. That's called flashing. Now unplug your microbit, attach it to your RVR, and go test it.
Hi, I'm Kelsey from Sphero, and I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to load a program onto your microbit to make your rover do some cool things. So right now I have MakeCode up on my screen, but I've got my microbit here with my cord, and I'm just gonna go ahead and plug that into my computer so that I can load the program that I wrote onto my microbit, and then plug it into my rover. So there's a little download button here, and I'm gonna download the program and then just drag and drop it onto my little device here. So I will do that now, downloading. And then I will jump over to my microbit and open up my file system and drag and drop it over. And then you want to make sure you eject it because it yells at you if you don't do that. Now I'm good. Turning on my rover and plugging in my awesome device. And now, let's hope this doesn't run off the table at me, but I can control my rover with my little remote here that I just put on my program.
Move between two very different temperature areas, maybe near a window and by the AC or a hallway. You'll need at least 2 different temperature readings. Take a picture of your RVR in each location as proof it's working. Step 5, reflect and submit. Time to reflect. Discuss the 4 questions in the worksheet under Step 4, reflection with your partner, and then answer them in complete sentences using the sentence stems provided for you. And remember, you'll need to submit each activity in each step of the worksheet for full credit. A screenshot of your code, Step 1. And your prototype sketch or photo, Step 2. Your filled out data table, Step 3. 2 pictures of your robot in different places, Step 3. Your short written reflection, Step 4. That's it. You built a temperature sensing robot, learned how to use conditional logic, and got your hands dirty with real world sensors. Whether it glowed red or blue, you programmed it, and that's what counts. There are some extra credit options in the worksheet if you have extra time to level up your skills.